going to get your toe. I'm going to get your toe. The guy walks forward for it. I'm going to get your toe. Where is it? I'm going to get your toe. I'm going to get your toe. Woo, I'm going to get your toe. It's over here. Woo! Ha ha ha! Gotcha. I'm going to... Rawr, to you too. I'm going to get your wing. I'm going... Oh, you hate it when I get your wing. I'm going... Oh, over here. Over here. Woo! Woo! Over here. Ha 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 ha! Gotcha. I'm going to get your tail. I'm going to get your tail now. I'm going to get your tail. Yes, I'm getting your tail. You get, oh yeah, where's your tail? Where's your tail? Where's your tail? Woo! I got your tail. Now I'm going to get your toe again. I'm going to get your toe. I'm going to get your toe. I got your toe. Now I'm going to get your nose. 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 Boop! Ha ha ha! I'm going to get your nose again. I'm going to get your nose again. I'm going to get it again. I'm going to get your nose again. Ha! You got me. I'm going to get your nose again. I'm getting it again. I'm getting your nose. Ah! Oh, you got me. You're getting fast. I'm going to get your nose. Boop! Ha ha! Boop! Ha 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 ha!
Can you get him to talk?
Gonna get your toe. Gonna get your toe. Okay, bye. Now when I walk away sometimes he'll try to get me to come back and get his toe. But he says, if I know you want me to say it, I probably won't.
Peekaboo!
I'm gonna get your toe.
Aww. Peekaboo!
Playing that game with him, though, is how I got him to let me handle him.
Peekaboo!
Oh! Dog? Dog?
You're a bird.
What did he say?
I think he said you're a big bird.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, shit.
Ah.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no.
Give me a kiss.
Whoop-de-doo.
Bubba, what does the kitty cat say? No, what does the kitty cat say?
Meow.
Good bird! Good bird! Yes, you're a good
When the
bird.
kids come at Halloween.
I'm a brave person. You're a brave bird.
When the kids come for Halloween now with their costumes, Nicole's kids, he turns on right away. He starts running over going, I'm gonna get you, and all this other stuff, and then he'll meow at him. And
Rawr. Where's the cat? Kitty, 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 kitty. Where's the cat?
Where's the cat? Cat! Cat! Cat!
Cat! Cat!
He laughs all the time. You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. Oh, that's what else he says. He says you're a funny person.
Is Smudgy a bad bird?
Wow.
Wow. Is Smudgy a bad bird? Rawr. Rawr.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I am. Is Smudgy a bad bird?
Ah, ah,
Oh.
ah, He said if somebody had a good voice around here, I could probably really sing. But as it is, he has to do with my caterwauling.
You could play music for him and he would sing.
I do, but he doesn't respond to the TV or anything like he does to a person.
They used to sing with the music we used to play. He likes opera.
I think that was Coco.
Oh.
I think he responds if a person sings to him.
La 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 la. This is like Snow White or something.
I don't think he's made any bird noises yet, has he? I don't think he knows what a bird noise is. Although he does copy the wild birds. Oh gosh, I've got to fill those speakers.
Oh, he said hello, pretty person.
Oh, I know.
Hello, pretty bird.
He says, what a pretty person. That's what he says. And he says, I love bird. I love Bubba bird. Yeah, he'll usually respond with, I love person. I love Bubba bird.